Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling the infamous P1351 trouble code. If you're seeing this on your OBDI scanner, don't worry, it's a common issue that indicates an ignition coil fault or a related wiring problem. Stick around as we walk through the steps to diagnose and fix the problem. The P1351 code is often related to the ignition control circuit. In most vehicles, this can mean there's an issue with the ignition control module or the ignition coil. In some cases, this can also indicate a problem with the glow plug relay circuit in diesel engines. Faulty ignition control module, damaged or faulty ignition coil, poor wiring or connections, glow plug relay malfunction in diesel engines, ECM engine control module malfunction, though this is less common. A multimeter for testing, a socket wrench, replacement ignition parts if necessary, and of course, your OBDI scanner to reset the code. Locate the ignition control module ICM. Refer to your vehicle's manual to find the ICM. It's usually near the distributor or mounted on the engine. Disconnect wiring. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the ICM. There may be clips or screws holding it in place. Gently pull the ICM away from its mount. Be careful not to damage any connectors or surrounding components. If you've determined the coil is faulty, replacing it is straightforward. Simply disconnect the old coil, install the new one, and make sure it's snug. Don't forget to apply some dielectric grease to the connector to prevent moisture buildup. Once you've replaced the coil or fixed the wiring, go ahead and clear the P1351 code using your OBDI scanner. Now, start the engine and take your car for a test drive. Monitor for any warning lights and scan for codes after driving to make sure everything's fixed. If the P1351 code returns, it's possible that you have a deeper issue with the ECM or a rare problem in another part of the ignition system. At this point, we recommend seeking help from a professional mechanic. And that's it. Fixing the P1351 code doesn't have to be difficult. With the right tools and this guide, you can get back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY auto repair tips.